Welcome back to the Buck Stops here. Time now to our second special tonight. Mandatory voting. That's Narendra Modi's proposal, but it's divided the UPA and privately the BJP as well.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Modi's move to turn the right to vote into a compulsory duty to vote has divided the UPA. The Congress calls it a dictatorial move.
इसका एक अच्छा प्रयास तो मैं कह सकता हूँ, लेकिन इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कराना आसान काम नहीं है।
But regional allies of the Congress hit by low voter turnout are with Modi. In fact, some say it should be extended to parliamentary elections as well.
ये चिंता का विषय है। पूरे पार्लियामेंट में और सब में मैंडेटरी करना चाहिए।
But will mandatory voting manage to court an increasingly cynical middle and upper middle class constituency into the electoral arena? In a country where ironically the poor are the most active participants in democracy, will making voting compulsory bust middle class cynicism? No, says the Election Commission.
There is this opinion that the compulsory and democracy, they are anathema to each other. They do not, they are not very consistent. Freedom of choice is probably very important.
Yes, says the BJP. It's time for a national debate.
क्या हिंदुस्तान का नागरिक 5 साल में एक बार, ये बात समझिए, 5 साल में एक बार आधा घंटा देश के लिए नहीं दे सकता है?
But Modi's bill that proposes punitive action against those who don't vote may have to go through several legal hurdles before it becomes reality. To start with, first, the governor will have to give an assent.
Modi's critics say that the reason behind the bill is political. For almost a decade now, the BJP has dominated elections at the local body level. But the debacle in the Junagadh municipality polls, which recorded a low voter turnout recently, could have been the trigger. And with elections scheduled for various municipalities in Gujarat in the coming months, many see this as an attempt to offset the anti-incumbency factor. In Ahmedabad, Rohit Ban for NDTV.
So is mandatory voting an idea whose time has come? Let's go straight to our special guest tonight, Lalu Prasad Yadav and S.Y. Qureshi, Election Commissioner. Laluji, to you first. Why are you supporting this move? Many people would say it's because you have also got nervous about low voter turnout.
नहीं, सपोर्ट का हम इस बात का सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं कि क्यों वोट नहीं दिया, एक्सप्लेनेशन पूछा जाए, इस बात का सपोर्ट हम नहीं करते हैं। हम सपोर्ट ये करते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी में कहीं भी वोटिंग रेशियो बहुत घट रहा, लोग वोट देने नहीं जाते, डेमोक्रेसी के प्रति लोगों के मन में पता नहीं क्यों ऐसी बातें आ रही है, लेकिन वोट काहे नहीं दिया, इसके लिए कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन पूछे, कैफियत पूछे, उस पक्ष का हम सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं।
लेकिन लालू जी, आप ये नहीं समझते कि जो अमीर लोग हैं इस देश में जो वोट नहीं करते, वो इस प्रपोजल के बाद करने लगेंगे इफ इट्स कंपल्सरी?
ना ठीक, अमीर हो या गरीब है, वोटर जो भी हो, ये बात जरूर, इसके लिए जलील नहीं करना चाहिए लोगों को। वोट नहीं देने के बहुत सारे कारण हो सकते हैं, लेकिन वोट के प्रति, डेमोक्रेसी के प्रति, सिस्टम के प्रति हर आदमी का ये ड्यूटी है, हर भारत के नागरिक का, कि अच्छे बुरे का चुनाव वो करें। एक पक्ष ये है, ये ठीक है, लेकिन नहीं वोट देने आए और उसके लिए कोई पनिश करने की बात हो, जलील करने की बात हो, तो वो ठीक नहीं है, उसको हम अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते।
So compulsory voting but no punitive action is essentially what you're saying. Let me take that to S.Y. Qureshi. Mr. Qureshi, you've expressed concerns that in a democracy, something like a vote should not be compulsory. But what about the apathy of the middle class and the upper middle class? Don't you think it's time for compulsory voting?
You are absolutely right. The middle class, particularly the urban, so-called educated, are quite indifferent to the political process, and we are concerned about it. And not only they don't come out to vote, they in fact brag about it. They go on a holiday. So instead of a fashion statement, we would like this non-voting to become a matter of embarrassment and shame for them. So we are trying to tackle this problem through voter education and voter awareness. And we launched a couple of campaigns, one in Delhi, the Poppo campaign, which was very well received, and after that the non-voters were almost embarrassed and they were all explaining why they couldn't vote. Even in Bombay, if you remember, there was a debate after this although the participation of even the film stars and sportsmen did not make much improvement in voter turnout. But the fact that the debate started and everybody was talking about it, I think that itself is a positive step forward.
Maybe so, Mr. Qureshi, but the fact is, as you yourself were saying, even all of those film stars coming and saying, please vote, did not translate into real votes. Despite an event like 26/11, we saw a pretty average turnout in the city of Mumbai. Now, if voting is a fundamental duty, why should it not be enforced by law?